we need to build more compassionate society. Whether they accept religion or not, it doesn't matter. It's so long we are on this planet. Now in reality, I think circumstances actually, you see, create as such, we are truly member of one human family. This continent, that continent, in economy field, heavily interdependent. And environment issue in that field also. It is everybody's concern, not this nation's concern or that nation's or that continent's concern. No, everybody's. So we really need genuine sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. Not just a word, but really feeling here. And with that, sense of global responsibility. So this idea is very much similar to the bodhicitta, the infinite altruism. You see the sense of concern for entire sentient being. It is whether practical or not, it's very useful to build healthy society, healthy family. And a little quarrel here and there, within that atmosphere is much less dangerous. Due to some problem, if you make big sort of division, right? They and we, and then that creates this enthusiasm to destroy them, to harm them, to kill them. If we create spirit, entire 6 billion human beings as a part of we, there's some problem here, there. That's it. Try to solve that problem through dialogue, through mutual respect, mutual understanding.